Okay, today we're making make me bunny ears.
What?
Make me bunny ears right there. Yay!
Like an alien, like a Martian. Bye. We're making a chair. We're making a DIY.
We're making
You made me
chair.
You made me put
We're making. We're making a fur chair. It's gonna be like a bear there. There. A bear there.
Bye.
As you can see, I'm toothless.
You know you can go on YouTube.
And as you can see, you see those gold chairs with legs. And guess what? We're gonna spare more on the back, on the front, and everywhere. Bring them there.
No. Woo.
You want the chair bottom.
I need to check. That's gonna be covered. We're not worrying about that. We're trying to get these legs right real quick.
I'm gonna spray it.
Why don't you go in the house eating something? I could have told you that you go eat. I could have swore that's what I heard. Maybe I was wrong, but I'm pretty sure I was right.
She's spraying it.
If I let you spray, I gotta put it over and spray everywhere I don't want it to be.
Okay, I'm gonna spray.
No.
But different.
No.
The way you're doing it.
You don't have to worry about doing it when I'm doing it, because I'm already doing it. And if I'm doing it and I'm doing it well, what's wrong? You know what I'm saying?
I'm doing it well. Mom.
What?
Is it somehow that you can actually connect my tablet and then get all my songs off there? But you can, I can have my songs back on there, but you can use them so I can hear one of my songs.
What song?
Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson?
Let's try.
So that was round 2 of spraying the legs.
We're coming back.
We're coming back.
We're going to just go to a song so we can hear the song on here.
No. I'm busy doing something. Good day.
I wasn't ready for no baby. My nigga tried to play me. Quit working cause they slay.
Let's get started. Oh my gosh, you guys, I really enjoyed doing this DIY chair. For me, I basically started out by putting the fur on the chair and seeing, how I wanted to lay on the chair. And I actually started stapling in the back of the chair first because that also gave me that pull and that tightness I needed once I got to the front, which I think was a very, very good idea. But if that doesn't work for you, that is totally fine. So you're going to make sure you basically staple all the fur to the chair. You don't want it to look, you don't want it to be noticeable that, hey, this is stapled. So make sure when you're stapling the back and everything, you staple under the chair, not on the side or anything like that. And you want to make sure you're pulling the fur so the staples are not seen. Or in my case, in the inside, I had to use hot glue because that stuck better than the staples for some reason in the inside. But on the outside, I used all staples. It was very secure, and I really had fun. If you want to know anything else about this project, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be more than happy to reply. Enjoy. Final project. Seamless. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this lovely DIY. I almost said DUI, but it worked. But I hope you guys enjoyed this lovely DIY project. If you want to see more DIYs or, anything, not anything, watch yourself, okay? But, just, give me some video ideas that you would like to see. Just comment below and we'll get this thing done video by video. And once again, please do not forget to click the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Like, and most importantly, subscribe forever and ever and ever. Duh. Have a great night. Bye-bye.
All that shit I be rocking, they like what you call that. These niggas shrimps.